Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a powerful feature in Canva that can really streamline your design workflow: shared folders. Whether you're working solo or with a team, shared folders help you stay organized and collaborate more efficiently. Let's jump right in. Creating a shared folder. First, let's create a shared folder. On your Canva dashboard, go to the Projects tab in the left sidebar. From there, select Folders and click on Create New Folder. Name your folder something relevant like Team Designs or Client Projects. Once you've created the folder, it's time to share it. Sharing the folder with your team. To share your folder, open it and click on the Share button at the top right. You can now invite team members by entering their email addresses. Canva also allows you to copy a link to share with others. Make sure to choose the appropriate access level. Either Can Edit for those who will be working on the designs or Can View for those who just need to see them. Adding designs to the shared folder. Now that your folder is shared, let's add some designs. You can either create new designs directly within the folder or move existing ones into it. To move a design, simply drag and drop it into the shared folder or select the design, click the three dots, and choose Move to Folder. This keeps all your relevant designs in one place, making them easy to find and work on. Collaborating in real time. One of the best parts about using shared folders in Canva is the ability to collaborate in real time. Team members with Can Edit access can open any design in the shared folder, make changes, and even leave comments. This makes it super easy to work together without the back and forth of email attachments or file transfers. Plus, all changes are saved automatically, so you're always working on the latest version. Organizing your shared folder. To keep your shared folder organized, you can create subfolders within it for different projects, clients, or types of content like social media graphics or presentations. This makes it easy for everyone on your team to find exactly what they need quickly and keeps your workspace clutter-free. And that's a wrap, Genius Junkies! Shared folders in Canva are a simple yet powerful tool for staying organized and boosting team collaboration. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.